Media.
Open office.com and click on Sign In button. Now enter the email address given by your college or school to log in into Office 365. Now you enter the password for the email address. Now you are inside the office365.com. Click on Install Office drop-down button and select Office 365 apps. Now you will get a small utility downloaded, and you open the folder and double click on the file. So now Office 365 will be downloaded for your PC. So stay connected with the internet, and it will take a while to download and install the application. Once it is completed, click on the close button and open any application like Word or PowerPoint or Publisher. So in the initial window, it will ask you to log inside. So you enter your college email address again. And enter the password. Here you uncheck Allow my organization to manage my device and click No, login into app only. So now you can see licenses assigned to you. You can also go to File and then Account, and then you can see a subscription is given to you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more